You know, to have a good show, aerobatic demonstration pilot need to have a good smoke. ProEnergy smoke is giving me nice attraction, nice visible, shape of maneuvers. I can make smiley face. I can make a heart for you. I can make many other maneuvers, and you can see them in the skies. They are there forever.
Jurgis Luke, Czepiela, aerobatic pilot. For us, display pilot smoke is incredibly important. Thanks to the smoke, we can highlight the figures we're doing. Sometimes when I'm flying super slow speed with the carbon cap, I'm doing as little puffs of smoke, and it shows that the aircraft can be almost stationary. If I'm flying against the wind, it highlights the beautiful shape of loops and rolls I'm doing. So it's really important for smoke to stay in the air for a long time. Thanks to this, sometimes I can draw really nice shapes for you.